All right, how y'all doing? I hope y'all still have some energy after lunch. No naps right now. Can anybody pronounce this? Gym Flow, Gym Flow, Gym Flow, Gym Flow. But this is my project, Gym Flow. Hello, world. I'm Travis Grubbs. This is just about me. 1987, I was born in Alaska. My parents had a short-term military career. After they finished their career, we then packed up and we moved south to Louisiana. Huge weather change for me, but I was too young to really notice it. But Louisiana is where I was raised. It's where I became who I am, where I got all my flavor, all my styles, all my appreciation for everything I'm doing today, including rooting the Saints right now, 12-2, go Saints. So I just want to throw that out there. But 2 years ago, I traveled with my job at AT&T as a technician to South Florida. Kind of grew old of the technician career, wanted to change something in my life, something that I really cared about. That's when I discovered Ironhack, and long story short, it brought me to you on this career day, graduation day today. So why Gym Flow? Why the app that I chose? Well, first, I'll just need to explain why it's pronounced the way it is. If you guys are college football fans, you may have noticed before, LSU Tigers, Go Tigers, it's a popular banner. It's basically their mantra. That's what popularized the term Go, or the pronunciation of it being spelled like that. But also, it's a fitness app like I mentioned, and why did I do a fitness app? Well, before I was this guy you see today, I used to be kind of sexy. Back then, like I said, I have a big passion for fitness. I could not finish my day. Working out used to be like brushing my teeth or putting on a seatbelt. I could not go the day without busting a sweat doing something. So that's probably the peak of my fitness career. That was only 2 years ago, though. I think I can get back to it as soon as my back gets better. But anyway, if you notice, everybody on here is social media, every time you're doing something, like if you're at work and you post a picture of yourself at work, workflow. If you're at the gym, you post a picture of yourself at the gym, usually hashtag Gym Flow, which is kind of where I got the idea for my project. So the challenge that I encountered when facing this project was I thought time was going to be on my side this time because we had 2 weeks. I started off really good doing the express side. So at like the first 3 days of doing my project, I couldn't be touched. I was the man. I did all the back end. I was like, oh man, I'm gonna have this thing on and popping by the time we present it. But see this dog here? That was definitely my face. After about day 4, from like day 4 to like last night, that was my face. But the challenges that I encountered was finding an API that actually did what I wanted it to do. I wanted to find something that would provide some workout features, some workout information, but I just couldn't quite find that. Anything that I did find, I could not get access to it. So I encountered my next challenge, which was building an API. Just finding the right kind of pictures, trying to think of the right kind of schema to make my routines and my exercises follow was a bit challenging, but once I got that resolved, I ran into my next problem, which was the components. Building or making the right component to actually do what I needed and knowing what I needed was very, very tricky. I had to lean on Nick and Nico majority of the time I had the dog face. And then once I deployed it, I still had the dog face because there was more challenges in making everything talk to each other correctly. The wish list, if I would have had more time, because ain't nobody got time for all that, but if I had more time, I would have liked to have added a public feed feature for my project so that if you posted your workout, other users could see it and comment on it and give it kind of a social media feel to it. I also want to add like a run-walk tracker, so if you're more in a cardio and you want to go for a run and you run around the neighborhood, once you finish, it'll show you the route that you ran and give you your time, distance, pace, and all that information. And of course, adding more exercises to the database, but it just made it more realistic. And along with it being realistic, I would like to have given it a more professional appeal. By nature, I like bright colors and cartoon effects and drawing stuff like that, so that appeals to me, but I'm a kid at heart. I'm not sure how everybody else would have taken to that in the fitness world. But that's about my project and myself. It's now go time. Let's check out Gym Flow. All right, and this is my app. This is the landing page here. Once you get here, you see the hashtag Gym Flow and some cool spinning weights. Don't try to lift like that. You'll hurt yourself. But this just basically explains what this website is. It's an organizer for your workouts. You can pick your exercise and your routine and schedule it for that day. So the user has the ability to come here and they can then sign up. Oh, there we go. And so just for speed purposes, our guest is going to be named Q, just to speed this thing up. I didn't put any restrictions on it by choice, not because I couldn't do it. But this is your work exercise list. This is basically, the left side is your your upper body workouts, and the right side is your upper body workouts. I just kind of sectioned it into two because I didn't have a whole lot of workouts to choose. But let's say if you're Q, you come here to the websites, this website, and you want to get your triceps big, you can click on this workout. This isn't the complete updated version. I just have to throw that disclaimer out there. But you can view the workout. You see the small diagram to give you an example of how to perform this exercise. If you want to add this to your routine, you just click Add to the Routine. Again, all these notes shouldn't kind of be here right now, but those are just notes for me to see what was going on. But if you want to add this to your Monday, Wednesday, and Friday routine, you'll just click here on the check boxes. All right, and then hit Submit. And so now I'll take you to your profile. This is where you see all your workouts listed. Again, it should have been styled a little different, but that's okay. It still shows the functionality of it. And so let's say if we want to add that exercise, I'll just add one more just because. We'll do some bicep curls, get those guns nice and swollen. Again, that's a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday routine. Boom, hit Submit. And so now I see on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I have my exercises. Now let's say if for some reason you want to change this to a leg workout day on Friday and you want to just clear that out, you just simply hit this button, clear here, and you get the walrus. But, of course, you know this is not supposed to be like that. But it should take you back to your profile page where you see the rest of your workouts. Alrighty, and let's go back to our profile. And all right, so Friday is clear. So now we have Friday available to go ahead and add extra workouts of our desire, and that's basically the gist of it. I could add a whole workout routine, but I'd rather you go there, sign up, use the app, and get your workout on, okay? And that's Gym Flow.